At one point, Elon Musk was sleeping on a factory floor, one rocket explosion away from total failure. Today, he's one of the richest humans ever born. This is not luck. This is obsession. Early struggles. Elon Musk didn't start rich. He was bullied as a kid. Moved from South Africa with almost nothing. Slept in offices, showered at the YMCA, and survived on cheap noodles. While others chased comfort, Elon chased capacity. Zip2, PayPal. His first company, Zip2, nearly failed. No money, no heating, no backup plan. But when Zip2 finally sold, Elon made $22 million. Instead of relaxing, he risked it all again with PayPal. Everyone said, "Just enjoy the money." Elon said, "What's next?" SpaceX. Everyone laughed. Then came the craziest idea of all: building rockets. No aerospace background, no government support. SpaceX failed again, and again, and again. 3 rockets exploded, money almost gone. One last launch left. If it failed, Elon Musk was finished. Tesla almost died. At the same time, Tesla was collapsing. Factories were bleeding money. Investors walked away. Employees feared layoffs. Elon invested his last dollar. Not because it was safe, but because he believed. Why he sleeps in the factory. When Tesla was dying, Elon didn't go home. He slept on the factory floor, worked 100-hour weeks, because leadership isn't comfort, it's presence. If the team was exhausted, he was more exhausted. His insane mindset. Elon Musk doesn't think like normal people. He asks, what's the first principle here? Not opinions, not fear, just physics and logic. That mindset turned failure into fuel and pressure into power. From $0 to $200 billion. From sleeping on floors to changing transportation to rewriting space history.
Liftoff of the Delta rocket carrying GLAST, a gamma-ray telescope searching for unseen physics.
Elon Musk didn't win because he was smarter. He won because he didn't quit. And that's the real billionaire advantage. If this story inspired you, subscribe to our channel, because the next story might change how you think forever.